All right, now let's start our structural work for our reversible control. So I just bring out this, I designed the whole of this. This is a ray, this is another ray, and this is trunking. Like I showed you the previous exercise, how to make your calculation to arrive at this template. I remind you again, this portion that is coloring dark brown is the template that the panel will come with. This frame here, I formed this frame here as the edge of the panel. Then this one is the bolt, because if you want to mount the panel on the wall, the bolt space, the hole for bolt space. Okay. Then here is the trunking. Trunking here, I put this trunking. Let me highlight. I can move it. You look at it. Okay. Now this is the trunking. We're going to put another trunking like this way. Let me show you how I did it. This is the trunking. This is the trunking for partitioning of the placement. All right. Now this one is my ray for slotting in your component. Okay. So the panel starts from here. This is the edge of the panel. That's why here is showing white. Then when you buy the panel, you see this template. This inside is template. This is where you put your component. This space is a vacant free space for workspace for you to navigate within the panel. So let's put the okay. Let's start with the contactor. I place contactor here. Then I place another one here. Second one should be here. You can give space like this so that somebody can easily notice that there is a ray here. That is for practice sake, right? But in actual sense, here it should be like this way. It should be this way. But just make it this way to beautify so I can see this ray. Okay. Then we have this MCB. Okay. This one can lap this way. Then this one can have this space here. Then this one is for our control. Okay. This is okay. Now take note. I don't want to do this design this way. I don't want to use this type of overload. I want to change it. I want to change it. The reason is this. I want you to know how to use. I want to use this one. I use this one the other time. So I want to make a change. And the partitioning of this one, let me show you something. I want to use this one this time. I want to use this one this time. Right? Okay. So let's use this one. It's another overload. Now, the reason why I want to use this one for you is this. Remember that our reversible, this is the supply to loop. Then you are going to loop at the output side. After you loop, you now give overload. So I want both of them to come parallel to this place. I want both of them to come to this place direct. Right? Okay. So that's why I prefer this one. And for you to know how to use this overload as well. So in that case, we need to partition here now. Then our ray connector will be here. Let me show you the ray connector. Okay. I think let's use another video so that it won't be. Let's partition this first. Can partition this time. Put another trunk in here. No, it's too close. Can choose. There's always a space factor where you are making your connection. Try to create a space factor. I don't want it to be too exposed. This one is okay. This one is okay. Okay, yeah, this one is okay. Place this size. All right. Okay, then I want it to be half so that this one shouldn't be too long. Can shift this way so that both of them share this space. Then the rest of this guy is for your connector, right?